Look at, for example, what NXP is doing. We are providing what I would call the electronic dust. Yeah? All sorts of connected systems, so big ones as cars, but also tiny ones as RFID tags and labels. These electronic dust devices basically provide data, and this data needs to be routed somehow. And this data is aggregated and routed in certain ways. So if your car and my car needs to negotiate how to drive, I need your information that you're doing emergency braking and the like. We have a direct communication, 5 milliseconds latency, secure, no infrastructure in between. That's one part. But there is a big part of hooking up that data to the Internet of Things. And what I would call is, there is data aggregation tasks. How do you get that data into the first real aggregated database? And this is where the MNOs, the mobile network operators, are of course heavily active. This is their task. So coming from the electronic dust into the, I would call it fog, not directly cloud. Yeah? From that fog, as I said, these databases, then big companies, the companies with the learning software, the SAPs, Microsofts, and all of these companies, they are coming and they are sitting really in that cloud and trying to get some intelligence, data intelligence done based on this aggregated data. And this is how this whole ecosystem is working. Yeah, so basically that entire setup we have is, it's an ecosystem play. It is basically NXP on the one side providing sensor infrastructure, providing the capability to route data. Then the MNOs routing a lot of data from these devices into the clouds, and then others working on that data in the cloud to capture value out of that data. But that's basically, their place in the middle is the MNOs.